Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm really excited today to do this video because this video is something that I thought about for a very long time. It's something that I wanted to do for a long time, and I think that today is the right day to announce it. So it will be a pivotal change in my YouTube channel, in what I do and in what I try, to bring to the channel. So I want you to stay with me till the end, because I think, as far as I know, that what I'm about to announce you has never been done before. I mean, in a way, yes, they've done before, but not in the way that I want to do it and to bring to you to the channel. So stay with me till the end, because if you are a serious trader, I think this one will be one of the most exciting announcement that you will ever heard. You will ever hear. Sorry, because what I think is that for a trader to be a trader, and maybe I'm wrong, this is my point of view, but for a trader to be a trader, you have to show your results. You have to show what you do, because it's not enough to say I'm a trader, I work with the markets, I trade stocks or Forex or futures. If you want to define yourself a trader, you have to show something to the world, to yourself at first, and then to the world. And since my goal for this channel has always been to show you transparency and honesty, I want to, take the transparency and the honesty to the next level. So stay with me to the end, because this will be a big announcement. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay guys, I'm not a marketer, so I just prepared something very, very easy on Miro. And you see the color are not gorgeous. This is not a McKinsey grade presentation, but it doesn't matter, because the main goal for this channel have always been transparency and simplicity. Okay, so this is the announcement: live trading. So what does that mean? Okay, so people are already live streaming trading session, but as far as I know, and from what I saw, it's more of a marketer session where they need to sell something. They have promotional discount code for the prop firm, or they try to sell something to you, maybe courses, maybe something else. I don't want to take that route, but I want to do something very, very, very different. So what I mean with live trading, I mean a real session. That means what a real session looks like. So that means that you will be seeing me trading, and maybe even me explain you something, okay? But not with fancy interface, with banners, with discount code, with fancy backgrounds, lights, and maybe me talking about how it's beautiful to pass a prop in one day. No, this is not what I want to bring to the channel. I want to bring to the channel live trading, the real live trading, as if you were here with me, and as if this room, as if this room was, let's say, a trading room in a hedge fund. This is the format that I want to take. So you will be, staying with me, but not for the gimmicks, not for the cute things, not for the highlights, not for the lights. You will be staying for me, for the real approach. So let's go step by step. Okay, I will be trading the stock session. Okay, so 9:30 a.m. New York time. My time is 3:30 p.m. Okay, so I don't know where you are in the world, but if you want to follow me, just check your time zone to understand when there is the stock market open, and be sure to be in front of a computer or to see the live delayed, because every single live will be on YouTube and will be a special playlist where all the live will be stacked one upon the other. And I will try to do that every single day because I really love doing that. I really love sharing what to do. And I thought that the best way possible to share everything was actually doing live. Okay, right now you have the Telegram channel where I posted the trades, the trade ideas, the trades where I got tapped in, but I felt like it was not enough. Okay, I've always been real, honest. I just post all the trades, losses, break-evens, wins, but I felt like it was a wall, a barrier that I wasn't able, to overcome. So I decided to do something that no one has never done before, because I will walk you through every single day, maybe 5-6 hour of session, and you will be seeing everything. I mean, everything means the accounts, the profit, how I calculate, the risk, how I put the orders into the funded or the evaluation account. You will be seeing everything. Okay, so I thought that the best way to do it was actually to show you what I was doing, why I was doing that. So make sure, if you want to follow that, maybe I know that maybe for you it's not possible to stay all the session long, but it doesn't matter, because the goal is not to not to have you with me, okay, every single day for all the session, but the goal is actually for you to understand how a session looks like. Because this is important, because this is not what you see on YouTube. It will be very boring. It will be very boring, guys, because most of the time we will be doing nothing. We will be waiting for a setup to happen, and that setup won't happen. We will be waiting for an entry, to get tapped in the entry, and that entry eventually failed. So it's not for everyone, but since my goal has always been to bring transparency to the channel, this is what I want to do. So if you are here, and I want to say this thing crystal clear before moving on, if you are here to let's say to see the day in the life, or to engage with some type of content that maybe could let's say improve your mood, or your adrenaline, or your serotonin, this is not what I want to do, because I just want to say right now that it will be boring, because a trading session is boring. And this is the main concept that is the differentiator from everything else you will see online. Trading is boring. And you need to accept it, because if you don't accept it, there will be consequences. But this is not, the video to talk about the psychology. So, will be boring. You will be with me 5-6 hours every single day. You will be seeing everything. You will be seeing me opening the trades. You will see the profit and loss in real time. If you want, you can copy the trades, because I do that. I will do in real time. But this is not a signal room. So I don't want you to expect me giving signals. Okay, so this is very, very important. I'm doing that because I want to be transparent, but the best way for you is actually to understand how the session looks like, to see how a trader handles a full-time, a full session, and to do it on your own without copying the trades. Even because it's hard to copy the trades. I mean, okay, it's real, it's live, but it will be hard. So first of all, I want to repeat myself. If you are here to look for engagement, to look for beautiful content, day in the life, lights, highlights, this is not. Maybe in the life, it's very, it's most likely that I will not be talking all the session long, like you see on YouTube. Like, you know, there are the traders that engage with people just talking about how they were able to pass challenge with one trade, how they were able, you know, to handle, you know, these props because our game, and they want to pass real fast or lose real fast, and they somehow try to engage with other traders because maybe there are hosts, because this is what you see on YouTube, because that engages. This is not what you will be seeing here. Okay, I just wanted to be crystal clear. So let's go home. What will we trade? What will we be trading? Sorry, stocks and forex, as always. I just did that because I wanted. If you are new, if you don't know, if you've never seen any single video, if you didn't go to the Telegram group yet, you don't know what I'm doing here. So I'm trying just to explain everything. Since this will be the first video of the live playlist, I want to explain everything as if you were brand new. Okay, so I'm trading stocks and forex. So forex, it means the mainly indices and commodities, because forex are not in good context, but sometimes it happens. So the forex account has indices, forex, and I trade only majors, metals, and commodities. So this is what I'm trading. Okay, in the stocks, it's based on the scanner. I have precise filter, it's based on the scanner, and basically it's a filter of the 8,000 plus 8,000 stocks available in the US market. So I wait for the scanner, I put the stocks in the watch list, and I go through them to find something that is tradable. Okay, you will see live. Don't worry. I'm just trying to explain you what will be, the logic behind everything what we are doing here. So stocks and forex on the same time frames. In the same time frames, I just forgot to say, but the time frame is basically 150 minutes, 15 minutes, 3 minutes, basically. Then we have another time frame. It's a 3 day for stocks and it's daily for the forex, but basically it's 150 minutes, 15 minutes, and 3 minutes. Okay, I decided to trade both on the same time frame because it's easier for me to follow everything, because I just need to check to the validation time frame, that is the 15 minutes, only once, let's say, because it's 15 minutes for forex and stocks, okay, as well. So it's way less complicated for me than you changing the time frame, maybe doing 1 hour on forex and 3 minutes on stocks. Okay, so 150 minutes, 15 minutes, and 3 minutes. Stocks, I'm trading actually trade the pool, the challenge, the 100K challenge, and for the forex, the MentFunding 25K challenge. Why that? Because I started the trade the pool challenge before MentFunding, launched the Ment stocks. So I'm still with that challenge and I'm trying to pass. But this is actually a good thing for you, because I'm going to show you right now the actual, let's say, equity curve in these stocks is really, really, really bad. Okay, so just make sure to see the previous video, but just to recap in the shortest time possible. I made a lot of mistakes before understanding what was the mistake, and so I'm trying, let's say, from there, I think from something like there, I think something like there, the last 8 trades, something like that, I understood what I was doing wrong, and I'm just trying to recover. In fact, as you can see, the curve is at break-even, apart, for the last loss. It's not, as you can see, constantly going down like before, because I was trading the not the right setup. So this is actually a challenge for me, because to recover from that drawdown is not simple, and I want you to experience that. I want to experience how a trader handles a drawdown, and this is a big drawdown, because at 4,000 I lose the account. So I really want to show you that actually, when you know how to trade, the drawdown or the monetary aspect of it doesn't matter at all. Okay, so this is important. And MentFunding, this is brand new. This is a challenge that I won through a competition that Anton Kalmes in his mentorship runs every single month. It is called accountability competition, where you basically, when you help others in the community, they reward you, just to make it simple. And so this is brand new. I didn't trade it yet, no trades, okay? And this is in progress. So you will see the progress in real time in this evaluation. The goal with this live is to bring the 25,000 account to the 5 million, because there is a scaling plan, one of the best in the industry, and I will be making a video dedicated to that. But MentFunding is if not the best scaling plan in the industry, and so the main goal is to bring the $25,000 to 5 million, and I want to do it live. Okay, so this is my promise. I don't know if I will be able to do that. This is important, because maybe I will fail, but it doesn't matter, because even if I fail, it will be public, and we can go through that together. Because my main goal with the channel is not to entertain you, but it's just to show you what I'm doing, why I'm doing it. Okay, so this is important. This is the big differentiator. I'm not here to entertain you, but I'm here to show you the truth. I'm here to show you how the journey looks like, how the scaling looks like, how the bad beat, if we can call it like this, I've just borrowed these terms from poker, how the bad beat looks like, because this is trading. Trading is not payout after payout after payout after payout. It is something very, very different. Okay, so both of the account, as you can see, will have everything shared public. When I see everything shared public, I means that when I will be trading on the competition, okay, or on the competition, on the challenge on Trader Pool, or in the evaluation account in MentFunding, you will see the floating profit. This is something that no one does, because they have to screen, and they just follow one screen where they share the charts, and the other one where they open the trades, because they don't want to show, I don't know why, the profits, but this is personal preference. Okay, so nothing against that, but I always wanted to show you transparency, and so I will be sharing everything. So you will be seeing the floating profit live, because I will be seeing it, because I have to manage a trade. So this is the big difference. This is why I say at the beginning that no one has never done that before, because there are a lot of people that actually trade live, but there are very few, if no one, and as far as I know, I've never seen one trader do this before. No one actually shows you the floating, shows you the, let's say, equity curve, not a cherry pick equity curve, but actually the equity curve live. Okay, so this is my promise, guys. This is what I want to do with you, and my promise is to be always transparent and honest, because I repeat again myself, my goal is not to show you something you have to fall in love with, but actually to show you something that you have to hate in order to understand if this is your route, this is your journey, this is your dream or not. Because trading is a career. Trading is like every single other job out there, just done differently and with different perspective. Because actually when you trade, you have infinite amount of capital, virtual infinite amount of capital available with scaling. So stay with me, because I will be showing you everything, guys. And my main goal is to trade the lowers till the 5 or 10 million marks, because with MentFunding you can double the account, so in the 25, 50, 100, 200, 400 and so on until 5 million, and then you can continue scaling that account, that 5 million account, to the infinite, like an hedge fund manager. So this is what I want to do, and I just want to do that on stocks and on Forex, but the scaling will be on MentFunding. So even if I pass the challenge on Trader Pool, I will be using Trader Pool for the payouts, okay? And I will be opening another account with Ment Stocks for the scaling, okay? So it is possible that in this journey, I will be working with other prop firms, but only for payouts, because it's possible. It's not sure. It's possible. It's something that I have to decide. That I still have to decide. But yeah, this is what I want to bring to you. This is what there is on the table, and I hope you like it, because I repeat, no one has never done it before. Okay, so. It was a long one, but it was an introduction, so sorry guys. Thank you for being with me. This will start from the next week, from next Monday, so the day after tomorrow. And make sure to check your time zone, to be with me on the right time. Again, I don't want you to stay with me all the session, because if you are a trader, you have to trade yourself, and trading together is not the best way to approach this career. So what I want to do is, yeah, I would love to have a lot of people live, but actually I want you to experience how it is, okay? Because if you're not profitable yet, this is not how you expect, okay? This is not how you expect. So I just want to warn you guys, it will be boring as hell. Boring as hell. Because trading is boring. Okay, no emotion in trading have to be involved. If you start involving emotion in trading, you start losing. You start, losing your profitability, because you want to be excited, and usually when you trade and you are excited at the same time, you make wrong decisions. Okay, so thank you for this video. Thank you for staying with me, and we are going to see on Monday with our first live trading video, and I hope you will join. If you need anything, if you need something, just drop a comment below. Just let me know what you think. Just remember, this is important, remember to hit the subscribe button, just not to miss a live trade. And I will be doing some changes in the Telegram group, because since I trade transparently online live every single day, I won't share my, let's say, trade setup on Telegram anymore, because it's not worth it since I'm live. Okay, so that group will change. I will keep that group, but it will change in something else. But I have to figure out it. Okay, didn't figure out it yet. Okay, so thank you for staying with me, and as always, we are going to see together on Monday in our first live session.